Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Delco T400 8-track that I've converted for use with either a modern reproduction radio or a converted radio that has an aux input. In this manner, the 8-track goes through that radio's much more superior amplifiers for better sound and quality. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in here. Oh, and incidentally, this comes from Chuck, and in the work order, the page got cut off after his phone number, so I do not have his shipping address. So Chuck V, if you could give me a call and give me your shipping address, that'd be great, sir. And so let's go ahead and pop in an 8-track. Oh, I gotta reset my receiver. It kicks out on premature overload every time. There we go. End of a song there. And there we go. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track. Just make sure it plays and switches tracks. We don't even use the controls because that's all done at the radio now, and the unit has a fixed output level, and so it takes care of that. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and you can also call me at 928-533-9666. But if you visit the website first and download and print the work order off the home page, you'll already have all my prices, options, and turn times right in front of you. And then if you want to call me, it's just to get to know me and trust me, stuff like that. That's perfectly all right. So thanks for watching and listening, and thank you, Chuck, for wherever I'm sending this back to when I hear from you, and we'll see you guys next time.